my viewers, I'm SoulFire, and today I'm going to do my 8th tutorial. This will be the End Bed Wars map that I promised in my Obsidian Tutorial Tower redo, but then I said that I wouldn't be able to do it in my 7th tutorial, my Valentine's Day special, for, having technical problems and stuff. Those technical problems were, I was having trouble setting up an accurate command database for the map, but I got a few mods that allowed me to set this whole thing up. And I don't know if you'll need to have them downloaded to use this world or not, but I'm going to be posting my world on MC Pedal now. I'm going to be, I forget what on MC Pedal, but it'll be on the screen right above my head. Okay, and now let's just get started with the tour. So here we have, you spawn in, and you have to click this to go into spectator mode, and Minecraft's really loud, so just give me a second there. Okay, there you go. Now we're in spectator mode, so what you're going to do is you're going to fly out and you're going to choose a base. I'm going to go to blue because that one's my favorite color, so we're just going to start there. So, real quick, let me just go back into creative. So, let me review the mods I got real quick. One of them was this ore generator mod. You right click it and it'll drop an ingot, even though it's the ore, it'll drop an ingot. The second mod is a PvP map essentials thing, and that's what the kill counter, I've got the thing that says kills on the corner of my screen is all about. That's the kill counter for players, so it's not actually, I haven't killed anybody in this map because I've never used it before. I just barely built it. But yeah, and then there's also this command that prevents teams from damaging each other. So it's a 4-player thing. Red is team 1, yellow is team 2, green is team 3, blue is team 4. So if I'm going to be on blue, I'm going to enter -tag, my gamer tag, add, then team, no, where's it, 4, like that. Then click enter. Now I'm on team 4. Anybody else with the tag team 4 cannot hurt me. I cannot hurt anybody else with the same tag. To get rid of it, it's going to be -tag, real SoulFire, remove, and then team 4. Now I'm no longer on team 4. Now there's a thing about immune on the website. You can read up on that yourself. The links are all in the description. And then the next one that I did was a Java combat mod. So there are just a few things about that. The basic ones being swords now have this thing called sweeping edge, where I can hit groups of things. I can hit groups of things when I'm not critting. Critting is when I hop and smack, and that increases damage. Then you'll notice when I hold it, there's the charge time. That's not in Bedrock. It's when I grab an item, it takes a certain amount of time to charge into my hand. And then axes, this one will actually do more damage. It does 10 damage instead of 7. And all the full stats for the thing are actually on the website. I'm going to link it in the description. And in here is just the rules and information. Do not begin the match until the message go appears in chat. Different loot will appear on different islands. Here's the list. So this is just what loot you'll find on each list. On the base island, the one I'm standing on, cobblestone, coal, iron, bow and arrow, wood, apples, and cooked beef. Where you'll find those is the wood in here, the apples in here, the cooked beef in here, and then these 4 here, they all have wood, and then the ore generators for the cobblestone, coal, and iron. And then back here, if you right click this, you'll get bow and arrow. Then on the corner islands, you'll get gold. Just over there, there's a gold spawner, just right here in the middle, that you can get, so you can create like golden apples and things like that. And then the center island is diamonds, netherite, and chorus fruit. So to get chorus fruit, you'll just break these plants. I'm sure you all knew that already. To get diamonds, you're going to fly into this little tower thing here that I built. And then the shulkers will hit you with their little orbs things. You'll get the levitation effect. But there's these 4 diamond generators on this tier, and these 4 up here. So you'll just get 8 diamonds on your way to the top. And then the netherite is actually not hard to get to, but hidden. I hid the netherite right down here. If we go down the scaffolding ladder here, you'll see that, and yes, that drops it'll drop an ingot, not the debris. So the reason I didn't make the netherite so hard to get to was because without diamond, the netherite is useless. So I only really needed to make the diamonds hard to get to. And then the chorus fruit also makes for some really fun parkour. And yeah, you can obviously like break the stuff if you need it and whatnot. So that's handy. And yeah, so that's all the stuff on all the islands. I can't really think, nothing else really comes to mind when I'm going to explain things. But, oh, we didn't even finish the book. And then 3, this is the disclaimer. I used mini mods for this map, none of which I made or owned. They can be found on the website MC Pedal as Rayon's Java Combat add-on, the Ore Generators add-on, the PvP map essentials, and then just to use these mods, you need, or to use this, wow, to use these mods and set up this map correctly, find them and read how to use them. So the links are going to be in the description, and then the names for them are just Rayon's Java Combat Mad, Ore Generators add-on, and PvP Map Essentials. Then this is just a thank you for using the map, because guess what? I'm going to be posting my maps on MC Pedal. I know I said it before, but we're just going to solidify this. I believe I'm going to be my handle, SoulFire 157, but it might be real SoulFire 157 before that. But just look for all of the maps that I've posted. Look for the maps. I'm going to be posting those, not all at once, a little at a time. But you can use these. You can use the maps for yourselves, and things like that. But I'm really excited to be able to do this. It's good to diversify, and make sure to check out my Skindex page. I'm going to link that in the description as well, because it only has I think 17 followers out of my 49 subscribers, and it's just a little bit sad, because I've referenced my YouTube on my Skindex, and now I'm referencing my Skindex on my YouTube. So just make sure to check me out on there, and thank you for watching this 8th tutorial of mine for my Bed Wars map. I will see you in the next video, and goodbye.